Start. This is a company appeal by original respondents semicolon under section 483 of the Companies Act, 1956 semicolon, challenging the order dated September 30, 1994, passed by the single judge of this court in company petition number 2 hyphen Roman 5 of 1997, whereby the learned single judge of this court admitted the company petition and ordered to issue advertisement which was to be published on 31/5/2000, if in the intervening period the dispute was not settled between the parties. Stop. Needless to mention that the learned single judge, by way of an interim arrangement, appointed the parties themselves as receiver by rotation as is directed in the order. Stop para. The facts of the case as alleged in the petition, in short, are as under, para. The present appellants numbers 2 and 3 are the husband and wife, whereas respondent is the real younger brother of appellant number 2, Uma Shankar. Stop. This is sufficient to suggest that this is a business initiated by the family members. Stop. Para. Initially, both these brothers, for service purposes, were abroad for quite some time. Stop. Uma Shankar, appellant number 2, lost his job there and he returned to India. Stop. However, the respondent Sohan continued to stay and work abroad. Stop. Para. After appellant number 2 returned to India, both the brothers thought of starting a hotel business or industry in India, and to be precise, in Goa. Stop. Both the brothers originally belonged to the state of the country. Stop. In furtherance of the idea which was entertained by the brothers, some land was purchased at Vegator, Goa, whereon the necessary construction of the hotel building was started. Stop. According to the respondent, this business or industry was started with a clear understanding between the brothers that the shareholding was 50%, each, and the business would be in the shape of partnership. Stop. According to the respondent oblique petitioner, since he was still continuing his service or job abroad, he was not in a position to take part and participate in the business directly, nor was it expected from him. Stop. However, according to him, it was understood between the brothers that the appellant number 2 was to do all the needful in furtherance of the scheme. Stop. The parties agreed that the finance would be raised by sale of their two flats at Kalina, Santa Cruz, Bombay. Stop. The flats were standing in the name of the two brothers at Bombay. Stop. According to the petitioner, it was agreed that the petitioner and respondent number 2 would bring the cash realized from the sale of the flats in the business. Stop. The petitioner states that for the purposes of the sale of the flat, he had given a power of attorney in favor of respondent number 2, and the flat of the petitioner was sold for rupees 6,000. Stop. 6 lakh. Stop. The petitioner further states that he remitted the following amount from abroad. Stop. Rupees 1 lakh in the year 1985, rupees 1 lakh 75,000 by draft on 30th May, 1991, and rupees 2 lakh in the end of 1987. Stop. From the contribution of the petitioner and respondent number 2, necessary land to which a reference is made above, was purchased on 16th May, 1991.